How you going, guys? Today I've got a little bit of a task to do that has been on my list for quite a while. It's one of those things that I think it's going to be reoccurring. It's quite comical, that's why I'm doing this video. See, every time you get on the toilet, it can literally scare the crap out of you. You see, this thing has quite a bit of movement, so all I have to do is get to these things under here and pop them up and screw them down from underneath, well, from the top. Now the old man, he fixed up the main toilet for me, and I'm very grateful for that. But yeah, this looks like it's going to be an easy job. When the missus asked me to do this, I said, why do you keep giving me crappy jobs? You know, not really keen on all these shitty tasks that you keep giving me. I have to do it, you know, because it is what it is, and you know, you want to I want to feel like you're going to fall into the toilet. Let's find the right one here. So just as simple as tightening these things up and finding the right spot for the adjustments. I guess I'll put this back on to get an idea of where it's going to sit. So when you're peeing, the toilet seat doesn't fall down on you all the time as well. Yeah, I think that's good. Yep. It's only a little 5-minute task. But you get so caught up in doing everything else that you think, ah, shit, I really got to do this? There we go. Now that stays up. I think that's the job well done.